So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export a query from Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio into Excel. And then we're going to learn how to clean and prep the data for analysis. So the topic of the video, like I said before, is we're gonna write a query, and then we're gonna export the query into Excel, and then we're gonna clean the data, and then use Excel tools for data analysis. On the left side of the screen, we have Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio open, and we selected a database. So the database I selected was Dilla's Data. And when we're writing a query, we're gonna want to ask a question, right? So I came up with a question. The question is, how many customers are in each state in the United States, right? So the next thing we're gonna do after we find the question is we're gonna make a query. So if you right-click on Dilla's Data, and you're gonna click New Query. Once that opens, now we can start beginning to write our query. So we want to start with select, and then we're going to select. So the main thing we're trying to find is customers in the United States. So I'm going to go to the customer table, and then it's going to show us under the columns what each keys are, right? The primary key, and then there's some foreign keys that are also in there. And these are the keys are in the customer database. So I'm going to select state, since that is what and then we're going to do we need to count how many customers there are, so I'm going to write count. Then it needs to be in parentheses. So we're going to count each customer ID. So we're going to put customer plus ID. And then we need to name this. So we use as, and then I'm going to name it number of. And then after we selected the two things that we needed, we're going to need to pull it from somewhere. So we need an attribute like from, and it's going to be customer, right? And then after that, I'm going to have to, since we pulled it, we're going to have to group it by the state. We don't want to like pull all the states and all the customer IDs like belonging to the state. So we're going to have to group it by the state. So we're going to go group by, and then we're going to go state. And then we're going to execute. And it's going to run this query. So now we have all of these states on the left, and then the number of customers on the right. So from here, you're going to save this. So you select all, you can select right here, or you can drag and pull down, or just select right here, and then save result as, Then I usually have a working folder, and then I'm gonna name it state. Once you save it, you're gonna open it. So Excel should be open. And then I'm gonna, and this is a CVS file, CSV file, I apologize. And then we're gonna have to save it into an Excel format. So I usually go to Save As, Browse, and then do Excel Workbook, and name it States. Save. Okay, so now we are in an Excel workbook. So now we have the data here, right? What are we going to do with it? So first thing I like to do is add the column names, right? So you insert new column or new row, and then we're going to name on the left side is going to be states and number of customers. Okay. I like to also format this. So this row, I like to have the commas in there and no decimal points. Right? And then I also like to underline the top row. Right? So also when we have our data like over here, we're gonna need to make a new file, a new page. It's also always good to have like a master set of data that is untouched. So we're gonna do a copy. We're gonna copy this whole page and then select it and paste it to another workbook page. All right. So I'm gonna name this our master data that we do not touch, and then this is gonna be our states where we can touch on, where we can edit on the second page, right? So one way of cleaning this is the easy way to clean this is to add a filter, right? We need to analyze. It's easy to sort and analyze this with a filter. So we select the top row, and then we're going to insert, then we're going to go to data, and then filter, and then it's going to add a filter for us. So from here, all these states are kind of not organized, right? So we can also organize it from A to Z. Okay. And the question was how many customers are in each state in the United States. So we can see here we definitely have more than 50 states, right? So we need to clean the data because some of them are blank, some of them are XXX. So these could be like territories or other countries, and we just only want to see the ones in the United States. So we need to clean this data so we can analyze this data further. That's the query, and for the Excel, we need to. So what I did here is I found a link listing all the states and territories. I'm gonna pull that open, and then we're gonna clean this data. So usually I like to unselect everything from the filter and then select the states that are actually states, right? So we're gonna go from top to bottom. Right now I'm selecting all the states from this list to show in this list. Okay, I selected all the states, and let's see how many do we have. I usually like to hold shift and then copy, right? So it selects the ones that are already selected and filtered. And then I'm gonna name this sheet state paste. So we have 49 states selected. So we're missing one. Now let's go back and look. Okay, we're missing one. Let's see if we can find it. We're missing Maine. There we go. Okay, now that's all 58. I'm gonna select it all again. Remember, hold shift, copy, and then paste it over here. Paste. Okay, now we have all 50 states that was in part of the question, right? And we have them sorted A to Z, and we can add filter to this page. and now we're gonna analyze the data. So we need to do an add-in to add this data analysis Toolpak. So if you don't have it on your screen already or in your Excel already, so you go to File, Options, you go to Add-ins, and then you're going to add in the Analysis Toolpak. Then press Go, and then make sure this thing is checked. Analysis Toolpak is checked. Press OK, and then it should pop up under the Data tab on the right side. So you're going to click Analysis Toolpak, and we're going to do Descriptive Statistics. Press OK, and then we're going to select the range. It's going to be this. Number of states each. And then we're going to we're going to check summary statistics, and then we're going to check output range, and we can put it all on one page. And then press OK. And I like to format this to be a little bit more clean. Add commas, and there you go. There's a way to analyze your data after you clean it. Because if we don't clean it, our data is going to be really skewed, and we're going to include maybe data that is not part of the question, right? So we can see that we have a minimum value and our maximum value, and we have an average, and we have the median, right? And also how many states there are, 50, the count. We also have a sum, which is the total amount of customers. And if you really want to know what states are the max and min, you could also do number of customers, sort by largest to smallest, and use Texas as the largest amount. And this one has the lowest amount. Okay, and then that concludes this video. So just a quick overview. We wrote a query, we exported it into Excel, and we saved it, and then we cleaned the data, and then we did an analysis Toolpak, which with descriptive statistics. Thank you for the video, and have a nice day.